My name is Muhammad Ali. My nickname is Ali. I am Access student. Access awesome. He is happy.
So this is what? Texas.
Texas.
This is for you. And now spell the state Kansas.
K-A-N-S-A-S.
S S. You are correct.
Yes.
Good job. Give me 5.
Ali, he came to our Access program since May 2020, and before he was at home. He had home studying, but absolutely he didn't have any society. When he started coming, and at the beginning we had online English classes, and I met during the interview, and he was surprised, but he couldn't imagine that he can learn English. But during the summer intensive session, we could see improvement and Ali's development in his learning English, in his personality.
Not. She's fearless.
Not shine.
Hey.
What? She is smart.
Smart.
She
Likes
traveling.
Я был одиноким мальчиком. У меня не было друзей. Когда я приходил в Access, я дружил с другими. И тут отлично учусь. Мы будущее нашей страны. Если хочешь обучать английский, тогда приходи в Access. Бұл жерде өте жақсы. Тут вообще классно. Я хочу уезжать в Америку. Первое, хочу оценить спортзал в Америке. Но же другие страны, даже вот традиции по-другому будет. Поэтому спортзалы, вот такие башни или киностудии хочу видеть. И потом попросту легко было мне говорить, я вот Access пришел. Я вообще без ошибки хочу говорить по-английски.
Now he says that before he didn't have any society. Now he has his society. He has his friends. Thanks to Access program, English classes. So now he is open. He wants to go to America. In the future, hopefully, we will see achievements and success of our student Ali with disabilities. He has cerebral palsy, but nevertheless, to his illness, he tries to do his best. And of course, as a teacher, I will support him. Thanks to the US Embassy in Kyrgyz Republic, we have such kind of amazing project Access program for children with disabilities. And Ali is one of the 30 students of Access program.
До этого я вообще был как бы домашнем аресте. Только телеки смотрел. А потом тут Access появилась. Моя семья обрадовалась об этом. Хотя они не знали до этого Access. Ну, после меня 12-13 лет, тогда мы начали. Я хочу, чтобы мы все в будущем даже свой язык забыли, только по-английски.